Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to fix a slow PC using a completely free tool that help clean memory, disable heavy startup apps, and find what's slowing down your system. So let's get started. So firstly, open Microsoft Store. Now install the free tool. Here you will search for Microsoft PC Manager. Download it and install it. I already installed it, so I will open it. After opening the app, you will see memory usage, health check, process, startup, deep clean. So firstly clean memory and background apps. Now click on boost. This instantly clear temporary memory and close unnecessary background tasks. You will notice your PC becomes smoother immediately. Now here you can see which app. Click on process manager. Here you will see which app are using high CPU, too much RAM or disk usage. If you find an app using too many resources unnecessarily, like this mouse server Luminati, now click on end task, then click on end. This help reduce lag and improve performance. Now step 3, disable slow startup apps. This, go to home. Here you will see startup, click on startup. Disable apps you don't need at the startup, like game launchers, updates, extra background apps, etc. Like I don't need Google Drive at starting. This can significantly improve startup speed. So again, going back to Microsoft PC Manager. Now click on home. Here you will see storage and click on deep cleanup. Use the cleanup option to remove temporary files, cache, recycle bin files, window junk files. Removing unnecessary files help run faster and smoother. Here you will see which you don't need, like application items, cache of these apps. Then you can select which you don't need. You can select and then click on remove. Click on proceed. It will instantly free up of space, and that's how you can fix a slow PC using a free tool. No complicated software, no technical skills needed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, comment your PC issue, and subscribe for more window tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.